You might see properties like this, houses for sale, grim looking properties, very basic kitchen, 1-bedroomed flat, little garden, okay? Lots of potential potentially. Well, this exact flat in London was just bought by my man Regev. What's happening, bro? We're sitting in it right now. And how much did you pay for this flat?
I paid for it 370.
So he bought this little flat for £370,000.
2-bedroom flat.
2-bedroom, but you pushed the value up.
Yeah.
Because you made it beautiful.
Yeah.
How much money did you spend on it?
I spent 60k for the renovation. It was 10,000 stamp duty holiday.
So all in, how much do you have to pay?
440.
£440,000. Now it's beautiful, now it's great. What is the new value?
So the new value at the moment by the bank is 600.
600?
Yeah, so we will pull all the investment out plus 10k.
So all your money's coming out, gonna rent it out for how much?
2200, it's already rented.
It's already rented, 2200, clean profit of £1,000 a month. And also you say this dude, what he does is he pulls investors into his deals, so usually you don't even put your own money in, you put joint venture finance in. So incredible deal, sounds too good to be true, however, we're in it. Show me around.
In order to increase the value dramatically, obviously a new kitchen won't be enough and a new tiles.
Yes.
So you need to increase the square meters of the house. So what we have done, we changed the layout, we remove the kitchen from the old existing space that used to be in here.
So that was the kitchen, and you've turned that into a bedroom.
Yes.
And then what was that in there?
So there was a bedroom that we demolished and opened the space.
Okay, so this was a big bedroom.
Yeah. So we basically replaced the location of the bedroom. Instead of being here, we put him there instead of the kitchen.
But then you've got this is the money room. I mean, this is incredible. But then you've lost the bedroom.
Yes.
So then what did you do?
We went up to the loft.
Okay, show me upstairs. Let's see. So this was the roof.
Yes.
And you've turned this into a bedroom.
Yeah.
Nice. I can't believe you spent only 60 grand because that kitchen, I'm pretty sure that was a marble kitchen.
I mean, if you call any other construction company in the area, it will cost approximately 120. But that 60 is my cost price, and that's the add value I bring into my investor on the table.
Sure. So although you've not got the money to put into it necessarily, but you've got the skills to do the refurb.
Yes.
However, you know what's interesting? A lot of people have also got the skills to do the refurb, but they're working for £40 a day as a labourer.
Yeah.
Like you were.
Yeah.
So what changed? How did you go from a labourer on £40 a day with a bad back to this big shot property developer with all these people throwing money at you?
Massive action. Every step on the way, you always plan what's the next step and you're fighting to reach there. Yeah. No matter where you are, you always need to have your next target.
Yeah.
And this is how I lived. I lived from a target to a target. I used to live with my wife as boyfriend and girlfriend in a HMO in a one room.
Yeah.
And then I told her that in next time we will rent our own house and rent the other rooms, so we won't need to pay, and we've done it. And every time to climb the ladder, it took the next target. Yeah.
It's amazing. When did you decide that you wanted to be a property investor?
So after the COVID started, I was sitting a lot at home, don't know what's really to accept with all the quarantine and the lockdowns and those kind of stuff. And I had a lot of time, so I was like, okay, if I have the time, I better sit and learn something. So I was like searching for flips or something to do, and you popped up, and that's it. Since then I was like focused on you and the way you teach, and I realized BRR is my strategy because of the build. You always mention that it's important to have a good builder, and I'm like, okay, I already have the good builder with myself. Yes. Yeah. So right. It's make the whole process much quicker, easier, and yeah. Also, when I go for viewing, I know exactly what will be the cost of the build straight away. I don't need to call anyone. The
thing is, what you did was you took the cards that you were dealt with, and you're like, right, I might not have money, I might not have this, I might not have that, but I've got the skills to do the build. And then you applied yourself to the training, and now
Yeah.
£3 million property portfolio, financially free.
Yeah.
It's absolutely incredible. So this room's nice. Talk to me about the ensuite.
So yeah, that's just an ensuite standard, nothing special.
But do you do all of your properties the same? Like, do you use these tiles always?
Yes, at the moment yes, until I will
Yeah.
be tired of it. I mean, it's
Yeah.
easier, you have the whole plan already there.
Yes.
No need to start design or all those kind of stuff, and do it quick.
Yeah. Come and talk me through the kitchen. That's got to be my favourite room in the house. This kitchen, I mean the floor as well. Is this marble?
It's not marble, it's 1200 by 1200 porcelain. I can get it like in the range of the 40 pound per square meter. Cheap.
£40 per square meter.
Make a show.
Give me an idea how much this kitchen, how much it cost?
So the kitchen with all the appliances, marble and marble on the splash bed.
So this is marble.
Yes. All together was 7.5K. That this is like the cheapest you can find in here in London. I was surprised how cheap I found it.
£7.5 seems really cheap because
Yes.
I mean, and this is very different to the kitchens that sometimes you might see me sticking in my cheap northern buy-to-lets. This is really high end.
Yes.
I mean, I'd like a kitchen like this for me. So area as well. What street are we on?
It's called Flower Lane.
Flower Lane.
Yes.
Like it. It seems like a very nice street, big
Yes.
houses.
Detached, very fancy.
And where
You're
are we?
looking at houses of 2 million here.
Whereabouts are we? What's this area called?
It's Mill Hill.
Mill Hill in London.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Loved it. Right.
And I have a piece of garden as well.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see it from the window.
So this used to be the kitchen.
Yeah.
And what did you do with it exactly?
We push the wall a little bit towards the shower side.
Yeah.
Make it a bit bigger than what it used to be as a kitchen space.
Yeah.
And it's become a decent room.
So it was a 2-bed.
It was a 2-bed.
Now it's a 3-bed.
Yes,
It
open
did,
plan.
It did have a rubbish kitchen. Now it's got a big open plan kitchen.
Yes.
So you've added some serious. That's how you've added the value.
Yes.
And was it freehold when you bought it?
That's a freehold, and we are the only freehold in here. So
Right.
yeah, we have in also the rare piece of the garden with the storage there.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah.
So there we go. That's it. I mean, how much are some of these houses selling for in this street?
Some of them are £2 million.
Some of them are £2 million. It's so easy to think you got no money. Maybe you live in London where the houses are £2 million in the street. Can you really make money in streets like this? And the answer is you've just seen it first. Yes, you can. You want to see more videos like this? You can check them out right here. I've got a whole playlist of similar videos of my students killing it, doing deals, showing you around their deals. Don't forget you can book onto the Property Investors Crash Course. I'll leave a link in the description. And of course, subscribe right over here. I'll see you next time. Thanks, man. Respect. Well done.